everyone, today I'm doing a review of a fantastic subscription service for kids called the Envelop of Awesome. When I came across this, I was really excited to try it and so happy I did. My kids were thrilled by the idea of receiving mail, and as you can see, they were so happy when it came. The letters were addressed to them too, which was a really nice touch. So inside the envelope there's quite a lot of fun activities, including stickers, jokes, interesting facts and comics, but the main reason I was drawn to this was their step-by-step how to draw instructions. My son is really getting interested in drawing and he just had a brilliant time practicing drawing the little creatures. The instructions were very clear and easy to understand, and they were very nicely laid out. They each got a cute little booklet which is also personally addressed to them, with a little note, and both of my kids were happy to have their own book. My daughter was of course a bit young to follow the step-by-step drawing instructions, but she did have a fantastic time with the stickers and colouring activities. This is a monthly subscription with a different theme each month. I think it's a great way to foster creativity and independence while kids have fun and learn how to draw, and a positive way to keep children away from screens. I would say it's definitely worth giving it a go.